Hello viewers, in this video I would like to discuss about satisfiability problem, that is SAT problem, where we have Boolean satisfiability problem. SAT is a problem of determining if there is a Boolean formula which is satisfiable or not satisfiable for a Boolean assignment or not. So in the set problem, we have input as a set of Boolean variable u is equals to, let's say, x1, x2 till xn, and we have clauses like c1, c2, Cn, and these clauses are made up of the Boolean variables. Now question is, for which variable assignment or truth assignment all the clauses are fulfilled. Output will be, it is a decidable decision problem, so output will be yes or no. So output is yes if there is a variable assignment such that all the clauses are fulfilled. That is, we have a mapping from a Boolean variable to the B. B is here nothing but containing 0, 0 and 1, such that there will be a clause, there will be clauses, all clauses which will be produced true or 1. Clauses are from ranges from 1 to m. If there is no truth assignment or variable assignment such that all the clauses are fulfilled, then it will be give answer output yes, output no. If there is no variable assignment that satisfies all the clauses, then output will be no. Now, what is B? B is equals to 0 and 1, that denote the set of values 1 or 0, and a Boolean variable can have either 0 or 1. So we have a Boolean variable u is equals to x1, x2, xn. U be a set of Boolean variables. This x1 will have maybe 0 or 1, so this each variable can have either 0 or 1. And now comes the point of literal. So if we have a Boolean variable x, then the literal will be two things, either x or its negation. um, so negation is like 0 maybe, or then the literal will contain one value. So literal is the Boolean variable x that contain either x or x1. We have also called clauses, that is made up of this literals. Clauses is just or catenation or operation catenation of set of literals, so that it is a disjunction of literal and clauses is satisfiable if there is a variable assignment um, phi of u maps to b. For that, the clauses will be, all clauses will be 1. Now, if there is a set of clauses, then also condition is that C1, C2 till Cm is a collection of clauses that is made up of literals, and set of clauses are also say satisfiable if all the clauses are fulfilled for a variable assignment. So we get 3 points. First one is literal, where each variable can be either, each Boolean variable can be either x. If it is x Boolean variable, then it can have two conditions. One is x or its negation. So maybe x is equals to 0, or either x bar is equals to 1. And then we can say clauses that is made up of literals. It is a disjunction of literals, or we can say or catenation of literal. Now each clause will be satisfied if there is a variable assignment such that the clause gives the outcomes 1. If there is a set of clauses, then all the clauses should have to be satisfy for the variable assignment. Now question is, what is variable assignment or truth assignment? It's just a mapping from a boolean variable, set of boolean variables to b, where b can have 0 and 1, that is assign values 0 or 1 to a set of boolean variable, and it's a trivial property. Trivial means like it can have, each variable can have either 0 or 1. Now, satisfiability means if there is a Boolean variable, if there is a Boolean variables can be assigned such that all the clauses turns out of 1 or true. So all of the clauses will then have phi of c is equals to 1 for phi. Here is the assigning values. It's a mapping. That input is a boolean variable and that gives the output either 0 or 1. Now if unsatisfiable means if there is a boolean variable can be assigned values that there is a clause that are not fulfilled from all the clauses in the conjunctive normal form, then it's called unsatisfiable. C and F means conjunctive normal form. Also say sum of product. You can say in Boolean algebra sum of product. um, so we can see the normal condition of conjunctive form, like if there is a variable, it can be, let's say x is a variable that belongs to the set of Boolean variable, then we can have either x or x bar or negation of x. If there is two variable x and y which belongs to u, then we have either x or y, that is called disjunction, or we have x and y. This is called conjunction. So these two made up of conjunctive normal form, made up of these rules. Now we will see one example of set. Here is one small example, like if there's a variable assignment for x bar, then it will be satisfied only if there is a variable assignment for 0 and no otherwise. Second example, let's say we have a clause for x or y. So if we assign values x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0, in that case it will be 0, otherwise the output will be 1. Now this is another example where I have clauses x1 x2. I have variables x1 x2 and I have clauses made up of this c1 is just x1 or x2, c2 is x1 or and not x2, and c3 is equals to not x1 or x2. In that case we have the total group clause. All of the clauses will be like this. Now possible variable assignment, we know for two values we have 2 to the power n, so it is 2. So we have possible variable as 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4 possible variable assignment we can assign for x1 and x2. Now we can see in the second table that only the last condition where both of the variable are 1, in that case output will be yes, because this is a variable assignment x1 and x2 is equals to 1. If there is a variable assignment, then the all clauses are satisfied, otherwise it will not satisfy. This problem is example is confirmed. The set problem is belongs to NP class. That is the first condition of NP complete problem. There is a reduction. By that we can confirm that 3 set is NP complete. Thank you for watching this video.